Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding the area between curves is actually super fast if you set it up right. Let's solve this calculus problem together in just 60 seconds. First, we need to identify our boundaries clearly. We are looking at the region trapped between the y-axis, the square root of x curve, and the horizontal line where y equals 4. Bounded by the y-axis, we integrate with respect to y. We rewrite the function as x equals y squared and set limits from 0 to 4. Integrate y squared to get 1/3 y cubed. Plugging in 4 yields 64/3. Option C is the final area. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent sign errors, trust the given boundaries, and check your steps.